substantially freaked out right now. Our cats stay in the basement at night, and we have this little cat door that we put a little metal door in so that they stay downstairs, because they fight with one of our other cats who gets the run of the house at night. And I came down into the kitchen to put a cup in the sink, and I heard the rattle. They like to rattle the door because they want to get out. I heard the door rattling, and it scared the hell out of me. And then I swear I heard pounding, like someone coming down the stairs, but there's no one here. Everyone's upstairs, so I'm like this close to grabbing a knife and bringing it upstairs with me. Why am I alone? This is dumb. Man. I scared too easily. I gotta brush my teeth. Okay. I'm trying not to be all freaked out. Okay, yeah, that's it. I'm taking scissors upstairs with me. I don't care. Bye.